In an AP, the first term is 4. Given that first term is 4 and last term is equal to 31, and the sum of all the terms, that is Sn, is equal to 175. Find the number of terms and the common difference. First we have to find out the number of terms, and the formula for Sn is n by 2 into first term plus last term, a plus l. This formula you have to remember. If a series is given and its first term and last terms are known and number of terms is known, then we can find Sn, and this Sn is equal to n by 2. N we have to find out number of terms by 2 into a plus l. A is 4 and l is 31. So we can write this as 175 is equal to n by 2 into 35, and if we'll simplify it, we will get n by 2 is equal to 175 by 35, that is equal to 5, or n is equal to 10. Number of terms is 10. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Now we have to find out d. D we can get from the last term. Last term, that is an, is a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula, if we will put all these values in this formula, we will get the last term is, this is the formula, and if we will put all these values, we will get an is 31 is equal to a is 4 plus n minus 1, n is 10 minus 1 into d, or we can write this as 31 minus 4, that is 27. 31 minus 4 is equal to 9d, or we can write 27 is equal to 9d, or d is equal to 27 by 9, which is equal to 3. This is the common difference. This is the first part. And for the second part, how many terms of the AP must be added to get the sum 0? The given AP, in this AP, the first term a is 21, and d, the common difference, is always any term minus its previous term, or a2 minus a1 we can write. 28 minus 18 minus 21, which is equal to minus 3. A is 21, d is equal to minus 3. Now we have to put the formula in Sn. Here we have to put the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we have to use, where Sn is the sum of n number of terms, n is the number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. So if we put all these values, and we have to find out the sum, the number of terms whose sum is 0. So Sn is equal to 0, it is given to us. If you write Sn is equal to 0, that will be equal to n by 2 into 2 times a, 2 times 21, plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. So we can write, that is, if we multiply here n by 2, it is 2 by n, that is equal to 0. So we can write 42 minus 3 times n minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 3 into n minus 1 is equal to 42, or n minus 1 will be equal to 42 by 3 divided by 3, that is 14, or n will be equal to 14 plus 1, that is 15. So here the number of terms is 15.